In the firing case outside Salman Khan's residence in Mumbai, search operations have been conducted in Gujarat. We are learning now 2 pistols and 13 bullets have been recovered by the police. The Mumbai crime branch officers had also conducted search operations in Goa. The accused had allegedly disposed of the weapons in the Gujarat River. Remember, on April 14th, firing had taken place outside Salman Khan's residence, and the 2 people now have been arrested in the case.
क्राइम ब्रांच की 10 ऑफिसर्स की एक टीम सूरत भेजी गई है। सूरत में तापी नदी पे एक सर्च ऑपरेशन चलाया जा रहा है। पिछले तकरीबन 30 घंटों से ये सर्च ऑपरेशन शुरू है। इस सर्च ऑपरेशन में अब तक 2 पिस्टल्स, 4 मैगजीन्स और 17 लाइव राउंड्स हम रिकवर कर चुके हैं। ये वेपन जो है एक्यूज ने यूज किया है कमीशन ऑफ ऑफेंस के लिए, तो एक जाहिर है कि ये एक इम्पोर्टेंट पीस ऑफ एविडेंस रहेगा।
All right, my colleague Radhika also joins us on the broadcast here. Radhika, big development now taking place. Well, the Mumbai police has recovered 2 pistols and 13 bullets. We are learning from the Gujarat River. What is the police now looking at? Is it on the basis of the statements of the accused that the police has been able to find lead in the case?
Certainly, it is based on the statements of the accused that the police has been able to find lead in the case. Of course, the probe has widened ever since the interrogation of both the accused began last week. In fact, both the accused were arrested last week on a Monday. Almost a week ago was when they were arrested, post which, of course, they were sent to our police custody. In fact, they are under our police custody, interrogations going on, and post their confessions, their admission of the disposal of gun in Surat is when the team decided to pay a visit to that particular river in Surat, where a team of divers and fishermen, with the help of all of these individuals, the Mumbai Police Crime Branch was able to recover the weapons used in the crime that include 2 guns, 4 magazines and multiple live bullets. All of them recovered. There is a possibility there could be a recovery of a couple of phones as well, which also the accused had disposed of. Of course, as far as the entire probe goes, both Lawrence Bishnoi and his brother have been named as accused in the case. Of course, Lawrence Bishnoi behind bars, Almond Bishnoi perhaps somewhere abroad, his locations being traced. Of course, many witnesses have been examined, have been in fact interrogated, or rather their statement recording has happened. So Mumbai police widening its probe at the moment, weapons recovered,
Right.
and both the accused will once again be produced before the court on April 25, and there is a possibility their police remand could be extended.
All right, we'll keep an eye on the developments there. Thank you so much, Radhika, for getting us all those details.